Okay, so we couldn't get it to start working correctly even from the beginning. So we're kind of in reset mode. Following the directions at 0, the drop down compartment is here now. And we have it starting at this power timer situation. And that's what the troubleshoot instructions say. Start it here and then flip it to the fridge. So there's that. We flipped it to the fridge. It says insert sideways in this direction. So done. Set to 0. You can even see the little latch is pulled in. And we're raising it up. Clicks in. Okay. Now usually you would put the little cake there, but we're just testing this out now, so not doing that. You're going to turn, or you're supposed to be able to turn it to 10, and you see now this little doodad flip down has something to do with the timer that isn't working. Well, as soon as we start to close, didn't even close all the way before the little guy dropped down. No timer, nothing. Okay, so look. There's no sounds, right? You're supposed to push down and make some noise with this little heart setting. So flipping to the heart setting. You're supposed to hold it down for 30 seconds to activate it, but for time purposes, I'm not going to do that. Make you guys stare at this guy for 30 seconds because I've already done that several times. So just as you can see, nothing. Worthless, useless, upset child. I know I'm not the only parent with this problem. It's a gamble. Like I said in my review, we're not going to take again with this brand Moose Toys, and definitely not with any Cookeez brand of toys. So, no stars. Okay, shut the door.
I want this music. I think I know who I got. A rare unicorn. The cone and the nay were kind of a giveaway. Is she done yet?
Hold on.
Oh my
It
god.
takes 20 seconds.
Oh my god.
Is it cold?
The fridge is not. I think we need to change
Hold
the
on.
temperature.
Oh, we put it to
Wait,
negative
wait.
10.
Wait, the fridge
Hold on.
is angled. Mom, the fridge was angled. The fridge was angled. Is it ready? I'm so excited.
Okay, open the door. Hold it up.
Oh my god.
What does it smell like?
Cake.
Oh my goodness! It's gone!
It's gone.
It's not a cooker. It's a freezer, Abby. Okay. Alrighty. Is it telling me to get over here and open the door? Mm-hmm. Okay. See, when it said repeat play, I thought I was going to be getting a nice snack. Look at it! Don't make that noise at me. Are you purring or are you... Okay.
That is the sea sound. But it doesn't make noise like mine.
Just wait for the tune to finish. There's nothing. Alright, now close the door. Once it stops singing, then you can open it. Hold on.